I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap it.
Huawei P40 series unveiling on March 26. Looking forward for another great camera phone. Honor 20 series and View 20 will receive Magic UI 3.0 update on March 15. Redmagic 5G dual touch triggers, similar to iQOO 3, for gaming and 300Hz touch sampling rate. iPhone 12 and iPhone 9 would be delayed, due to coronavirus. iPhone SE2 moves production to India, targets March 31 launch date. Blood oxygen level detection will arrive soon to the Apple Watch. Motorola Edge Plus will be the company's first handset to pack a 108 megapixels camera. Redmi Note 9 to come with Helio G70. The Pro model will have Snapdragon 720G. Vivo IMMIX 3S is official with 99.6% screen-to-body ratio and UFS 3.1 memory. Honor 30 receives 3C certification, to support 40-watt super-fast charge. Meizu 17 dumps the Ring Flash, uses a horizontal triple rear camera.